Solana, one of the coins. Solana is under the skinny pink line. Very weak against BTC. More downsides to be expected. Probably past 7,000 right now at 18,000. So potentially more downside to come for Sol BTC. I still think that there is, I mean, if you were to ask me, right, a bull bear slider, right, I'm 90% bear for Sol BTC, but 10% bullish. There is always that possibility that we could just zip back up, right? If we could take out these highs, go above the skinny pink line, stay above it, and yes, we could be going higher. But as it stands, nope, we're under it. So more downsides to be expected for Sol BTC against USD. Sol is, hits targets, boys and girls. It hits target, 132. So for Solana, we did take a short. I hope you took some profits. Yeah, so Sol hits 132. We are again under the skinny pink line. So my take for Solana is we're forming a head and shoulders. Very likely a head and shoulders, right? Of sorts. It's a bit messy here and there. But this is a high quality head and shoulders in the making. I suspect the right shoulder could be coming on, and Solana could be heading much lower. Right, there are two levels we're looking at: 0.5, 0.618. If we do go to 0.618, we'll probably go somewhere below it, plus $30. We're at 167 right now. So will Solana form bullish chart patterns and continue? Yeah, sure, of course. If and when the time comes, sure, of course, we would be more than happy to have, clear high targets for Sol. But as it stands, no, we're under the skinny pink line. We're already through. We're completing the head. So a right shoulder, in my opinion, should come for Sol. Could this turn into something else as well? Yeah, sure. This could be a descending triangle, right? You probably could get a descending triangle as well. We'll probably know once the chart pattern is like 90% complete, right? If you were to ask me how many percent complete are we, if it's going to be a head and shoulders, I would say we're probably like 70%, right? I'm leaning bearish though. Yeah, so I'm probably like 70 bearish, potentially 30 bullish as well, but 70% bearish, right? So we had targets over here, 132. Yeah, see targets? Is this still bearish? Yeah. Why is this still bearish? Because we did not clear these clusters of cells. We did not, there's so many clusters of cells here. So the whales have just created another cluster of cell. So that if and when the whales pull the price lower, it just makes it easier for them. Clusters of cells here as well. Right. Once the momentum has switched bearish, then it'll be so much easier to pull the price lower towards 0.5 and potentially 0.6. We might see a bounce at 0.5, right? As we potentially hit to 0.618. And then, yeah, again, hopefully, big bullish continuation for Sol USD. But yeah, no, I'm leaning bearish for Solana, right? In the long term, Solana should do well. But for now, it's looking pretty bearish for me. So, yeah, I would stay safe. If anything, right, I'll be looking for shorts for Solana. I'm guessing, right? Again, this is just pure guessing. Same thing as well, right? You can just turn this around. Same thing. I think Solana will either stop either at 0.5 or 0.618. So I would be ready for the short if and when the opportunity comes. Right now, on the medium short term, the momentum is quite bullish for Solana. So I suspect we'll be seeing more upside. Right? Will this noisy area hold? Or will we go a little bit higher towards 0.618? Not too sure. We're not too sure. But I'm leaning bearish for Solana. I still think that Solana is going to drop. And with it, the potential should come for all the other meme coins that's in Solana's ecosystem. So I think I've pointed it out in all the other videos about cats, dogs, frogs, politics, all the other Solana-based meme coins. They're not going to do well. So if and when the drop comes, this is a very, very high quality short. But of course, if things turn bullish, then of course we will just switch our bias, right? But as it stands, nope, the bias bearish. So we're looking for shorts for Solana.